Hi again, thanks for tuning in. This is your weekly update for Friday, March 20th, 2020. And I'm sure your first question is, are you open? The answer is yes. We actually had a meeting today. We reduced our hours just a bit, but we will be open 7 days a week here starting this Sunday. We know how important gardening is to you. I can tell by the recent sales. You guys have been out, you guys have been buying seeds and soil, and now you have the opportunity to buy some plants because we just got some shipments. So let me show you around. And I think we could all use something to make us smile. So pansies have arrived with their pretty little faces. We also got in our first shipment of foliage plants. Now next week we're to get a very large shipment of house plants, but we're starting here. Looks like little 4-inch pots and some even little 2-inch pots. And we're now fully stocked on the very popular baby tears plants and different varieties of peperomia. And how fun are these hanging house plants ready to go, maybe for a kitchen window? They are only $8.99. But for those of you that feel uneasy, we are happy to bring an order out to your car. Just give us a call or email first. Let us know what you would like. You can pay over the phone, and we're happy to bring it right to your car for you. And also delivery is available. And even though the forecast looks pretty rainy, it will be a little bit on the warm side. So you can get out into the landscape and do some to-dos, like cut back the dead tops of your grasses and garden mums if you haven't done that. And now it's time to also start planting sweet potatoes and onions. I do have a little bit of bad news. We did decide to cancel the Easter Bunny, who was due here on April 4th and 5th. He was to be right back there. Unfortunately, just because the guidelines the government have gave, we decided to cancel that event. And if you remember last week, I told you we have 5 truckloads of plants coming in. Well, here are 2. And we have 1 coming in today and 1 coming in tomorrow. Now, unfortunately, I cannot let any customers in here because, as you can see, everything is jam-packed. When we unload a truck, it is a very quick process. You just need to get them out and place them where you can for the time being. So hopefully soon we'll be able to open the doors and you can come in and shop. Look what else I found in here. The West Country series of lupines. They are absolutely gorgeous. Tall, bright flowers. And I planted 3 last fall and they've all come back. So that's very exciting. And I see we received our shipment of baby blue spruce. I have never seen us order so many, but they are so popular. This is a great plant for the landscape. I have one at home. They grow very slow and will max out to 15 feet tall. And I haven't brought you back to the greenhouse way in the back by our back pond lately, so I thought I'd give you a little update. Things are really hopping in here. Look at these beautiful New Guineas. I showed you those when we just potted them up a couple of weeks ago. And take a look at these really pretty chenille plants putting on a nice show. And on the other side of that greenhouse are rows and rows of geranium hanging baskets and patio pots as far as the eye can see. And if you're looking to attract pollinators, this plant is definitely one to have. This Rockin' series of salvia, they come in a couple different colors. But boy, oh boy, that's one you definitely need to add to your garden. Well, that'll be it for this week. Thank you again for watching. I hope I was able to put at least one smile on your face. We hope to see you all soon. If not, we completely understand. So stay safe, stay healthy, and wash your hands. Okay, bye-bye.